At Mountain Creek Bike Park, there are two pro-size drops I've been wanting to hit. The Covenant and the Cabin drop. I'm starting with the Covenant drop. This is the tallest in the park at 13 feet and about 18 feet out to the landing. And when you land, it right away puts you into a decent sized cannon jump. This drop is mid-trail in a black diamond jump trail called Dominion. So this is my first time hitting this drop.
Here it goes. Oh, good thing, baby. Come on, man. Woo! I cased this one a little bit.
That's how I said that.
Oh, shit.
Next up is the Cabin drop. I started with doing a run-up. This is pretty big at 12 feet tall, and you need enough speed to get up the ramp right across the top and still clear 20 feet to the landing.
I had a lot of speed, didn't I?
After pushing back up, I still wasn't sure if I was going to send it. But about halfway down, I decided this was it.
Drop it in. Oh, oh man. Oh yeah. You really didn't get a video of that?
No.
So my son, instead of videoing it, he was starting a Snapchat story. So I had to do it again.
Take number 2. Drop it in. Dude, I got it.
There's usually a crowd watching people hit this drop, and that just made it more fun.
Oh man.
Finally, I got some footage of my son hitting this fun section of Deviant. He only rides about once or twice a year, and I thought he did a great job. Well, if you like this video, please like, leave a comment, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.